In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Nuphy A75 V2 Keyboard. The Nuphy NUfolio V3 keyboard boasts a sleek design with enhanced features for a superior user experience. With a focus on minimalism and attention to detail, the A75 keyboard offers a transparent bottom case, colored internal components, and thin metal-plated light bars for a refined aesthetic. It excels in wireless performance with a 1000 Hz polling rate and support for multiple devices simultaneously. The integration of Nordic's NRF 52810 SoC and STM32F072 MCU ensures low latency and high performance for professional gaming. The keyboard comes with QMK via firmware for customizable key remapping and lighting effects, making it versatile across different platforms. The inclusion of double-shot PBT keycaps, low-profile shine-through keycaps, and unique low-profile switches like Moss and Cowberry enhance the typing experience. Notably, the keyboard is hot-swappable, allowing for easy switch replacements. The addition of RGB light bars and via configuration software enables personalized lighting effects. Accessories like the NUfolio V3 and NUpack provide added convenience and portability. Overall, the Nuphy NUfolio V3 keyboard offers a blend of style, performance, and customization for an exceptional typing experience. Number 2. CIDOO V65 Mechanical Keyboard. The CIDOO V65 VIA keyboard is a 66-key plus 1-knob mechanical keyboard featuring a gasket mount design with an aluminum case, PBT keycaps, and a customized linear switch. The keyboard comes with a PC plate, Porin gaskets and foam, plate-mounted stabilizers, and supports hot swapping for both 3-pin and 5-pin switches. It is powered by a 3000 mAh battery, weighs 1.32 kilograms, and measures 320 by 119 by 45 millimeters. The keyboard is programmable via software and comes with various accessories like a USB cable, keycap, switch puller, instruction manual, light diffusers, and a hex screwdriver. Additionally, it features a dye sublimation printing on PBT keycaps, supports multicolor backlighting, and is a wireless keyboard with 2.4 GHz connectivity. The CIDOO V65 VIA is designed for desktop, laptop, number, and tablet use, made by the brand CIDOO, and originates from mainland China. Number 3. Nuffy Air60 Keyboard. The Air60 V2 by Nuphy is a cutting-edge iPad keyboard that excels in providing a seamless and powerful user experience. Boasting improved connection quality and speed, this portable keyboard, device, and stand combo offers exceptional mobility while maintaining stability with enhanced AirFit technology. The keyboard features a remarkable 1000 Hz polling rate, powered by advanced wireless technology, ensuring minimal latency for professional gaming and low-latency applications. With QMK via firmware support, users can customize key bindings and layouts with endless possibilities. The keyboard's compatibility extends to major desktop platforms, offering a versatile user experience. Additionally, the Air60 comes with double-shot PBT keycaps, low-profile shine-through keycaps for backlighting, and innovative sound engineering for an enhanced typing experience. The keyboard also features a variety of low-profile switch options, including the new Moss and Cowberry switches, along with upgraded Keychron switches. Unique RGB lighting effects, via configuration software, and convenient accessories like NUfolio V3 and NUpack provide users with enhanced functionality and portability. Overall, the Air60 V2 is a standout device that combines performance, customization, and style, catering to users across various platforms. Number 4. DrunkDeer A75 Keyboard. The DrunkDeer A75 is a high-performance mechanical gaming keyboard featuring magnetic switches with hot swap capability and a unique knob feature. It boasts the rapid trigger (RT) function, ensuring immediate accuracy in FPS games with its triggered on press and reset on release mechanism. The ultra response speed and separate sensor for each key enhance command execution efficiency. The ABS, PBT keycaps and all-area magnetic switch, along with customizable RGB lighting, offer a personalized gaming experience. The keyboard's adjustable actuation distance and never miss function, which allows for double triggering to avoid missed inputs, cater to gamers' needs. With its 75% layout, compact size, and detailed-oriented design, the DrunkDeer A75 delivers a dynamic and precise gaming experience. Number 5. NUPHY Halo 65 Keyboard. The NUPHY Halo 65 gaming keyboard is a versatile and innovative option for both productivity and gaming purposes. It features a dual system mode for Mac and Windows, supporting up to 4 devices for convenience. The keyboard boasts NUPHY KOP keycaps made with a double-shot PBT process, offering ergonomic design and durability against grease and scratches. An interesting feature is the battery level indicator through side lights, with different color gradients representing various battery levels. The innovative halo light design incorporates RGB lighting to shine through the aluminum body, providing a unique visual experience while typing. Additionally, the Ghost Bar Space keycap offers noise suppression, while the Baby Kangaroo switches deliver an optimal tactile and acoustic typing experience. With a variety of features such as wireless connectivity, long battery life, and noise reduction solutions, the NUPHY Halo 65 keyboard is a sophisticated and high-performance option for users seeking a premium typing experience.